Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking the microphone and word at the same time. Make sure your mic is plugged in, shows as the default input in sound settings, and levels are reasonable. Open the Word file and place the cursor where the audio clip should go. Next, locate the Dictate button or the Record Audio add-in on the ribbon, install or enable it if missing. Once done, do a quick test recording of a few seconds to verify input and playback before proceeding. Now record the actual audio. Click Record in Dictate or the Record Audio add-in, then speak naturally and slightly louder than normal so Word captures clear sound. Keep sentences short and use brief pauses to make edits simpler later. Monitor the visual level meters and make small volume adjustments if you see clipping. When finished, press stop and immediately preview the clip inside Word. If the timing or clarity isn't right, trim the clip or retake that segment. This saves time compared with complex post-editing. Finish by inserting the final audio file into the document and positioning playback controls near relevant text. Add a short caption describing content for accessibility, then save the document, preferably with a new file name so you keep an original backup. Make sure to test playback on another device to confirm embedding worked. If the audio fails to play, check microphone and speaker permissions, update drivers, and verify the Word add-in is enabled.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.